Following the alleged abduction of NUP President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu's personal bodyguard, Eddie Ssebuwufu, also known as Eddie Mutwe, several political activists and human rights advocates have condemned the continued abuse of human rights in the country, often targeting opposition political activists. The situation escalated and gained momentum last evening when the Chief of Defense Forces, General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, took to his X account and confessed to detaining Eddie Mutwe in his residential basement, claiming he was teaching him Runyankole language. This prompted NUP leadership to summon all party members to their headquarters for a gathering during which they planned to demand the release of Eddie Mutwe and other incarcerated political prisoners from the government and security agencies. However, this was met with a swift and heavy military deployment at the party headquarters in Kavule, where even suspicious individuals were not allowed to stop, not even along the surrounding routes. Party diehards, who arrived one by one, were taken by surprise upon realizing that their headquarters were under military raid. Despite this, they vowed to gain access to the premises and continued to demand the release of their detained supporters. Upon noticing the growing number of supporters gathering across the road, the strict military operatives soon moved in on them, this time not even sparing the journalists who were present to film the developments. In an exclusive engagement with some party members who had withdrawn a few meters from the premises, they revealed that this would not mark the end of their demand for the release of their colleagues. They also condemned what they described as the unchecked, overzealous abuse of democracy by military institutions in favor of a few individuals.
It's not allowed for any security officer to be partisan, but we have seen the CDF more than once being partisan, and the police and the UPDF giving him a blind eye.
This is humiliation and a violation of human rights. Our gathering today was intended to show the world, everyone, the professionals, the doctors, the members of parliament, the journalists, the farmers in Kasanda, and the businessman in Chikubu, that what is happening and what is being done to our brother Ssebuwufu can also happen to you, because we are all potential candidates of this regime's solidarity.
And I want to call upon Ugandans, especially the elites who think that this does not concern them. It concerns them because when Trump was taking away aid, he took away their jobs. And I can tell them a lot more is going to happen until when they join hands with the common people and we fight bad governance such that we can live in a country where each of us is able to enjoy, is able to thrive, not just to live in fear.
By press time, our efforts to reach police spokesperson Rusoke Chituma for a comment on the deployment were unsuccessful.